Very tasty and very long. Eat me up and stay very strong. I love banana. I too love banana, Nitya. I want to know how banana is prepared. Ma'am, can you please explain us?
Nitya and Madhuhasini love eating bananas and they want to know how bananas are prepared. For this, we need to know the process of making food. Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means putting together. Photosynthesis term comes from two words, that is photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means putting together. We generally call the leaf the food factory of a plant. Let us understand the working of this factory. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Plants give out oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Oxygen is taken by us. We breathe oxygen and human beings give out carbon dioxide. With the help of stomata, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Stomata, S-T-O-M-A-T-A, stomata. This is the leaf blade. Now beneath the leaf blade, there are small, very small, tiny pores. These pores can't be seen with our eyes. We can see them only through microscope. These tiny pores are called stomata. These tiny pores are called stomata. So, underneath the leaf, there are tiny pores called stomata. With the help of this stomata, the leaf will be breathing in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. The plant take in carbon dioxide through stomata and water is absorbed from the soil through roots. The chlorophyll, which is present on the leaf, the substance of chlorophyll, which is green in color, is present in this leaf. This chlorophyll traps the sunlight. The chlorophyll traps the sunlight. All these carbon dioxide, sunlight, water. By taking all these, the leaf prepares the food. This process of making food by the plant using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. Now children, open your textbook page number 5. The process of making food, photosynthesis, we learned from your textbook. plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through stomata. Through stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil through roots, and this chlorophyll traps the sunlight. All these are used by the leaf to prepare food. This process of making food by plants using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. The food prepared by a leaf is called sugar. This food is transported throughout the plant by the stem and branches. The food prepared by a leaf is called sugar, and this food is transported throughout the plant by the stem and branches. A plant uses some amount of prepared food to carry out its life processes, while the rest of the food is stored in fruits or vegetables, leaves, stem or roots. And we consume such parts of a plant. The plant stores its food in sometimes roots. Carrot is a root. We eat them. The plant stores its food in the stem. So, for example, sugarcane. We are even consuming this sugarcane. The plant also stores its food in leaves. For example, spinach. Spinach is palakura. Like spinach, there are so many other green leafy vegetables. We all eat them. Now this is ginger. Ginger grows underground. This also is a stem. It is actually an underground stem. We add this ginger in our curries, and sometimes we even drink, ginger tea, which is very good for our health. Plants also store their food in vegetables like bottle gourd, sorakaya. Do you love to eat sorakaya, bottle gourd, children? What about you, Nitya?
Yes.
What about you?
Yes.
This is gongura plant. In English, it is called as sour spinach or sour green leafy vegetable. We all love to eat this, right? This is papaya tree. Let us see where papaya leaf stores its food. It stores its food in papaya. Right now the papayas are green in color. After few days they will ripe. We eat ripe papaya, right? Some people eat even this green raw papaya. Now this is guava plant. Jamakaya, guava. So the leaves, what food they prepared, they have stored in guavas. Now look at this, children. This is jowar. Jowar grains. You know jonna rotta? Do you eat jowar roti?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you eat Madhuhasini? Yeah. So that we prepare from these jowar grains. So these leaves, they are preparing the food, and where are they storing? They are storing in the form of jowar. Look at this, children. So beautiful. Still in the leaf. Coming out from the leaf. Now look at this plant, children. This is bitter gourd. What plant is this?
Bitter gourd.
Yes. Now let us see where it is storing its food. Oh wow. Bitter gourd. Kakarakaya. It is storing its food in bitter gourd. This is a vegetable. Many of them love to eat this. Though it is bitter, but this is very, very good for our health. One more bitter gourd I found on this plant. Yes, teacher is trying to pluck bitter gourds. Show us please, bitter gourds. Wow.
Now I understood how banana is prepared.
Very good, Nitya.
I understood how plants store food.
Very good, Madhuhasini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Look at these pots, children. Plant A, plant B. Now take well-watered plant A and keep this in a dark room for 2 days. And water the plant regularly. And keep another plant, plant B, in the sunlight. Now pluck a leaf each from both the plants and boil them separately in water and alcohol. Now wash these leaves, both the leaves, separately with cold water. Then you will find that the leaves get bleached, means losing color. This is done so that you can see the results clearly. Put a few drops of iodine solution on each leaf. What do you observe? You will observe that the leaf of plant A does not turn blue to black. This indicates that starch was not formed in that leaf. So, we understand that photosynthesis was not carried out in plant A, while the leaf of plant B turns blue to black, showing the presence of starch. This means that plant B carried out photosynthesis properly. Now, what is photosynthesis, children? The plant takes carbon dioxide, sunlight, water in the presence of chlorophyll and prepares the food.
Plants make their own food. They make food in their leaves. Photosynthesis gives us oxygen to breathe. Plants need water, minerals and light. Plants need carbon dioxide. Plants need energy from the sun. They make oxygen for everyone. Plants make their own food. They make food in their leaves. Photosynthesis gives us oxygen to breathe.